Okay, I am at the back of the Counterswear garages. Normally you catch the bus back and get off here, and there's normally a little puddle to go through, but as you can probably see, the puddle and you can only get round the side of it. Unfortunately, today, the puddle virtually stretches all the way across the garages. I'll go and have a look. Yeah, you can probably see that it goes quite a long, might be passable at I'll go and see how deep it is anyway, because I need to go onto that bit of road over there so I can go down to the quay.